What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Dream It, Rebuild It. And here we got a 2012 Honda Civic Si. We got it off Copart. It was wrecked. We got a good deal on it, so I decided why not. I've seen multiple people do this, and I decided to give it a try myself to rebuild this car. I'm thinking of flipping it, so we'll see where things take us. I'm not a professional by any means. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm willing to learn and I'm willing to try. So we're gonna try to keep everything in-house, keep the costs down, source parts as cheap as possible, get aftermarket, go the eBay route, wherever we can get our hands on, we'll get. So here it is. Here's our first project. A 2012 Honda Civic Si 6-speed manual 2.4 liter VTEC. So it looks like it was a rear end, or the guy or whoever was driving rear-ended another car. Looks like it was a pickup truck, and that could be a tow hook, or maybe he hit a pole, or maybe he hit a deer somehow. I don't know. Maybe he hit the antler at the bottom. I don't know. But we're gonna need to get a new condenser, a new radiator, a new support, bumper, fog lights, grills, etc. And the paint is a little ashy on it. Doesn't look very well. It's seen better days. It looks like it's been under the sun for a while. And then the airbag was deployed in the car, unfortunately. And the seatbelt is locked. We're probably gonna get that fixed or pick up a new one. And when I bought the car, it was a run and drive. Let's see if it still has juice. All right, so here we got 113,000 miles on it. Everything works, luckily. I actually love the dashes on these cars. I know it's just a Honda, but it looks really cool, really futuristic. This is my first Honda ever. I always wanted one of these, and I got my chance. But other than that, it's kept in pretty good condition. The seats are in really good condition. It's kind of dark, you can't really see, but it's in good condition. Besides the paint on it, the sides are good. Besides the paint, we're gonna need to sand it down and respray it. We're gonna try to keep everything in-house, try to keep everything as cheap as possible, to keep the cost down as low as possible. The car is standing right now in a little homemade spray booth that me and my buddy made. And we're gonna give this a shot. Like I said, I'm not a professional at all. But I'm willing to learn, I'm willing to grow, and I want to take you guys along for the ride, see what we can accomplish here. So I'm going to start ordering the parts, trying to source everything as cheap as possible, and I'm going to break down the costs in the end, how much everything cost me till completion. We'll do that in the end, and maybe it will be something that you want to attempt to. So, you know, it never hurts to try if you're willing to. It's always a good little thing, you know, a little bit of extra side money. And depending on how deep we get into it, I'm thinking of possibly putting on some coilovers, maybe a new set of wheels. We just got the stock Honda ones. And maybe get some wheels, coilovers, maybe a front lip, give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. It just depends how deep we get into it. And we're gonna start by breaking it down, taking off all the damaged parts, and give that a shot, see how it goes, and see what we can do, and see how long it takes. So hopefully everything works out good. We don't run into any unfortunate problems. Hopefully everything goes smoothly where we can get it done and knocked out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And till we meet again.